Imagine a Forex robot that trades 24 hours a day, doesn't sleep, doesn't panic, and never gets tired. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, meet AI Max Pro EA, fully automated trading bot designed to do exactly that. And today, I'm sharing real, live results from my account. We're talking over $118,000 in profit, fully hands-off. Can this bot actually beat the market? Let's find out. Most traders struggle because they miss entries, get emotional, or don't have time to sit in front of charts all day. That's where AI Max Pro EA comes in. It trades for you 24/5, analyzing the market in real time and executing trades with zero hesitation. But does it really work? I put it to the test on a live account, and the results are mine. I started with a deposit of just $250 and let AI Max Pro EA take control. Over time, it executed precise trades on DE40, using smart entries and strict risk management. Here's the breakdown. Total profit, $118,807 withdrawal, $97,000 remaining balance, $22,057, and the best part, I didn't have to do anything. No charts, no analysis, just pure AI-powered trading. The EA executed multiple one-lot buy trades, and here's what I noticed. It entered at precise moments based on market data. It managed risk automatically with stop-loss and take-profit levels. It cut losses quickly while letting profits run. Some trades closed in slight losses. But overall, the profitability remains strong, proving that AI Max Pro EA adapts to the market instead of blindly trading. Let's be real. Most traders overtrade out of emotion, hold on to losses too long, miss profitable setups. AI Max Pro EA eliminates these mistakes. It doesn't feel FOMO, doesn't hesitate, and follows a strict, data-driven strategy. That's why even with a $250 start, it was able to scale up and secure consistent profits. What makes this bot a game changer? AI-powered entries. It finds high-probability trades in real time. Built-in risk management protects your capital automatically. 24/5 automation. Trades even while you sleep. Works on any account size, whether you start with $250 or $10,000. All right, after testing AI Max Pro EA on my live account, here's my verdict. Profitable, YES, fully automated, YES, safe. It uses stop-loss and risk controls, but like any trading system, it's not 100% risk-free. So use proper risk management. But one thing is clear. AI Max Pro EA is a powerful tool for any trader looking to grow their account passively. Now, here's the best part: you can test AI Max Pro EA yourself. Special offer. For a limited time, you can get AI Max Pro EA at a discount. Click the link in the description to grab it now. And if you're skeptical, no worries. There's a 7-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Don't let emotions and missed trades hold you back. Let AI do the work for you. Was this AI trading test a success? Absolutely. But I want to hear from you. Drop a comment if you'd trust an AI bot to trade for you. Like and subscribe if you want more real Forex trading experiments. This is the future of Forex. Smart, automated, and always awake. Until next time, trade smart, stay consistent, and let the robots do the work.